In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover in Canva. If you're creating a video tutorial, a presentation, or social media content, adding a voiceover can make your project feel much more personal and engaging. Instead of relying only on text on screen, you can guide your audience with your own narration and make the overall experience much easier to follow. The good news is that Canva has a built-in recording tool, so you can do this directly inside your project without needing separate audio software. To begin, make sure you're working inside an active Canva project in timeline view. This is important because the voice recording tools only appear properly once a video style design or presentation is open. From the Canva home screen, click Create a Design and choose a format such as video, mobile video, or presentation. If you already have a project saved, simply open that file instead. The goal here is to get into the editing workspace where your pages or scenes are visible on the timeline. Once your project is open, move over to the left-hand sidebar. In that panel, click Uploads. Inside the Uploads area, look below the standard file import options and find the feature labeled Record Yourself. Click that, and Canva will open its built-in recording studio in a full screen overlay. This is the area where you'll record your voiceover and connect it to your design. Before you start speaking, take a moment to set up your audio input correctly. At the top of the recording studio, click the microphone dropdown and choose the microphone you want to use. This helps make sure Canva is listening to the correct device, especially if you have more than one microphone connected. If you only want to record your voice and do not want your camera feed included, turn the camera setting off or select no camera. That way, your final recording will focus only on audio. When you're ready, click the red record button near the bottom of the screen. Canva will give you a short countdown, which gives you a second to prepare. Then start reading your script clearly into the microphone. As you speak, move through your project pages at the pace you want. Canva will sync your narration with the pages as you go, which is very helpful for tutorials and presentations. When you're finished, click Done at the top. Back in the main editor, your voice recording will appear as an audio track beneath your project. If you also have background music, adjust the volume so your voice stays clear and easy to hear. You can open the audio settings and raise or lower levels as needed, with voiceover usually kept strong and prominent. Once everything sounds right, click Share, then Download, choose MP4 video, and export your finished project. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.